Ibis, what the hell?
Fuck you, and fuck your mom cause she raised you, and fuck your dad cause he made you. You're so damn intolerable. You spend your day just puffing joints and you're so fucking miserable. I know you like guns, you probably like the big ones for men with no nuts. Yeah, it's real tough, but what's she gonna do when I call your bluff? Cause machine guns are for pussies, machine guns are for rookies. Get yourself a 9 or a little 45. You don't need to compensate, I'ma keep it a buck, nobody else gives a fuck. Because machine guns are for pussies. They're for bitches like you, bitches who think they're cool. You probably get shoved into lockers at school. You tell me all about them, but I don't give a shit. You're a dick, why don't you say it and spit?
You were sucking on your mom tits till 10 years old. 40 and making blow at your gun room with my little girl. Fucking on your sister. Sister isn't making pay your shit. I guess his father likes all you stupid bitch. This machine gun, you really not it. Yeah, I've been in your face when your mommy run her test. Oh yeah, we catch you at your crew and go pay the casket. Let's go, mom, that's what your ex bitch. I checked off the cash list.
Machine guns are for pussies, machine guns are for rookies. Get yourself a